Welcome students. Today I'll be telling you how to use a range. First of all, what is a range? So I'll be telling you what is a range and how to select a range. Okay. So I'll be increasing the size. These things you already know because you have done MS Word, PowerPoint, Word. So you know very well. Just it is a kind of a revision for you. The students who are using WPS Office for Excel, no need to change the colors and all if you're finding any problem. The fundamental which should be clear to you that how to use the formulas. Once you are back in school, you can practice all these things on computer. If you don't have computer, I already told you WPS Office you could use, and on WPS Office Excel you are using, and there if you are knowing the formulas, no problem. I know it takes little more time on mobile, but at least you have a practice. So just now I'll be taking one example. Suppose I'm writing here Jan. So these kind of entries are already saved in Excel. If I'll just see, I'll use my mouse pointer, and when I take my mouse pointer towards the end point, this one, plus sign, and if I'll drag it down, just see it increases itself. May, June, okay. So till June, okay, till June I am taking. Number of units sold, for example, here I'm taking one example from the book only. Now just see, if I have to add this total number of units sold, what I should do? Earlier, the method what I have told you is simple, is equal to the cell address B4 addition B5 addition B6 addition B7 addition B8 addition B9. This is a step what I have told you earlier. We can subtract, multiply, anything we could do, but it is time consuming. It takes more time. If I'll press enter key, this is the result. You can write here total. Total, and I can give suppose red color, bold, and border here. Okay, this is one process to do the totaling. Now I am telling you about a range. What is a range? Okay, this is a range. What I have selected. A range is a group of contiguous cells. A range, a range is a group of contiguous cells. Okay, means it is kind of a rectangle. The cells which are touching each other. So this is a range. A range is a group of contiguous cells which are touching each other. So this is a range. I hope it is clear to you. So the same result if I want to get means to add these numbers by using a range. How to do it? We can use functions. I'm deleting this. If I'll put is equal to sign, is equal to sign, can you see this? Wait. This sign, can you see? Auto sum. This sum, if I'll press it here, See what is coming, is equal to sum B4 to B9. Now this B4 to B9 is a range. It is a shortcut method to add these numbers. If I'll press enter key, just see the same result. And how it is coming? As I have told you, you have to use F2 key. And it is showing me the range is equal to sum B4 to B9. In between, colon is there. This is the way to use. And the students who don't have Excel at home, again I'm doing, you have to type it or type all this. Is equal to sum, you have to type is equal to sum, bracket start, and in bracket, you have to see what is the range here. Like here it is B, here it is 4. So if I'll press it B4, then you have to press colon in between, and at last B9, and then press enter key. So dear students, I hope it is clear to you how to use a range with a function. There are many inbuilt functions present in MS Excel. One example I have already told you by using this inbuilt function sum, and this is a range B4 to B9. Manually also we can type. Okay, I always use this method when I am doing sum, and then I'll drag it like this, which is easier method for me. Okay, in this way I can have these numbers. One more example I can give you. For example, here let it be any numbers I am taking. 2000, I'll take 3000, and then I'll select both, and then I'll drag it down. It increases, means any fictitious numbers I'm taking. Let it be like this. Okay. Now suppose these numbers, by using the traditional method what I have taught you, it's very difficult to add all these numbers. Suppose this one, F2, then F3. So it will take a plenty of time to add all these numbers. So what I should do? Very simple. Sum, bracket start, dragging it down. That means starting point we should be clear, and ending it should be clear. Bracket close and enter, and you will find the result. Is it clear? So now you are clear what is a range, how to use a range. So I think so students, it is very much clear that how to select a range, as I have told you here, and here also how the range is beneficial and how the function uses the range. Okay, is it clear to you? So further I'll be giving you one assignment based upon different calculations. So I'll take a new sheet. I'll take a new sheet from here. The students who are doing in mobiles, they can take a new sheet, because this I'll be seeing from your side also. So I have to write some numbers here. I'll pause this after typing just to save the time. Then I'll again start sharing. So dear students, I have typed one assignment for you. Firstly, I'll teach you how to do. Then I'll be expecting the result from your side, and you will send uh, with the result to me. Screenshots you will send to me. The students who are doing on computer, they'll click the pic and send to me, and the students who have mobile, they'll send a screenshot to me. But just see that you have to do it with formulas. Don't write answer with the calculators, type it here. Okay, so for example, I'll just zoom it once again. Okay, I'll change the color. Okay students, We'll be continuing with the same assignment as I have told to you. As I have already told you to type these numbers because you are watching my video. So what you will do, you will pause your video and then you will type this. Those who have computers, they can see it from mobiles. Those who have mobile, they can take a screenshot and then write in the copy somewhere, and then they can do this sum. I know it will take little time in mobiles, but at least you have the practice. So total I have to find of these numbers. So just now I have taught you about using the cell range. The same formula I will be using it here is equal to sum bracket start. I'll check what is the first digit here. I'll not take this one. I'll take this one. This is C. If I'll see from here, C2. I'll show it. This is same from here. First number is C2. Okay, and so I'll type it here, C2, and my last number is F2, this one. So I'll put colon here, F2. See, range is been selected, and I'll press enter key. Okay, once more I'll type here is equal to sum bracket start. By another method, I'll just drag it for explanation purpose, and those who have mobiles, I've used the first two, I've told that method. Otherwise I use this method. Those who have computers, they can use this one. Bracket close. Okay, after this I can just drag it. I'm not sure whether this dragging function is working properly on mobiles. It is working, I have seen, but it takes little time. It's not that fluent as it is working on computer. Okay, now you can just see, if I'll show you here, this one, it is sum C2 to F2. Here C3 to F3. So automatically the cell addresses changes when we are using the formula. Now seeing the percentage. By seeing the percentage, how to use the percentage. Now if I want to find the percentage of triple A, triple B, triple C, here comes the power of Excel, okay, or any spreadsheet software. The students who are doing the other WPS software. So here what I'll do, percentage I have to find it. In mathematics, you are already knowing how to calculate the percentage. If I'm having these numbers 1 2 3, these numbers 1 2 3 4, that means 4 subject numbers are there and maximum marks are 100, that means 400. So if I have to find the percentage, how to find the percentage? 382 divided by 100, or 382 multiplied by 100 divided by 400. Simply, if I'll do like this, is equal to 382, I'm taking from here, 382 multiplied by 100 divided by 400. It is giving me the percentage. Okay, can you see it? 382 means this one, multiplied by 100 divided by 400. This is the method to calculate the percentage. 400 means 4 subjects, each subject is of 100 marks. I hope it is clear to you. But here I'll use the formula. I'll put is equal to sign. Then what I'll do, total I have already got. So I'll go with G2 multiply by 100. What I prefer here, bracket. Without bracket also it will work. The students who are doing with mobile, uh, although you may get brackets also, from the keyboard you will get the bracket in the signs. If you don't get, directly also you can do, but I prefer using brackets. Bodbas method you have already done in Excel. So G2 multiplied by 100 divided by what? 4 subjects are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, divided by 400. I hope it is clear to you, this one. This method is clear to you. What I have done, G2 multiplied by 100 divided by 400. Press enter key. So here's the percentage. What I'll do here with the method, again for your sake, I'll repeat, is equal to, here it is what? G3. G3, I'll put the bracket here. G3 multiplied by 100 divided by 400. So here's the result. Percentage. I can drag it down and I'm getting the results. Okay. It is coming like 92, 78 point. If I don't want these points, in home tab, if you see this side under number option, here two options are there, increase decimal, decrease decimal. So if I click, just see, decimals are increasing. If I click decrease decimal, it's decreasing. It will take to a round value. Okay, like 53.3, one of the value, it becomes 53 only. So it depends upon me what I want. I hope this is clear to you now, how to calculate the total and how to calculate the percentage. This is a kind of a revision for you, those who are already knowing it. And again and again you can watch this video if it is not clear to you. So today you have learned how to use the cell range and how to select a range and how to use a range in a formula. Is it clear? So I'll stopping my this tutorial here only. Please practice this tutorial at home. Okay. Okay. So this I want from your side, dear students. I will not off the settings, but I'll check which students are standing with this kind of homework in first place. So let's have a kind of a competition to see which one will do it first. What you have to do, when you send me your homework, in your screen here like this as I am giving, suppose here I'm typing here, it can be your name. Suppose I'm typing any ABC. Okay, instead of ABC you will type your own name. It can be Kush, it can be Akriti. So and then you will send me the screenshot so that the other students should not means not cheat from you. Cheating means they should not forward the same screen what you have forwarded to me. Is it clear? So your name should be very much clear and try to put your name somewhere here near the sum. It can be Kush. Okay. So when you will send means now nobody could copy your work. Okay, dear students. So you have to wait now for my next tutorial. Please do this tutorial. I'll not off the settings today. So send me, but I'll see which student is sincere, who is sending me first. Then I'll see who is the last one.